the Billy presentation. This class are gonna blow your mind.
All this talk about 3E, but where are they?
Come on, let's go meet them. Hello everybody.
In English, we have spent some time looking at performance poetry. One of our favorites was Chocolate Cake by Michael Rosen.
We also looked at a poem called Buckingham Palace by A.A. Milne. We hope you enjoy our performance of it.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Oui, ça va bien?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Yuval. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Aïza.
We also learned our numbers in French. In DT, we designed and made some pop-up volcanoes. First, we designed our pop-ups in our sketchbooks. Then we made a model pop-up using card and spit pins. When we were happy with our designs, we created a volcano pop-up and made a poster.
Here's the skull ribs and the backbone. 206 bones in my arms, fingers, legs, and toes. Where was her baby? Who knows? My bones give my body a shape, so I can walk and run and I can escape. They can take my name, soft organs, like a lost heart, don't forget to pray.
In science, we learned about skeletons and their functions. The skeletons keep our body upright and protects vital organs such as the brain and lungs. We made some model skeletons to help us learn the names of some bones. Skull, humerus, spine, we have learned about the ancient Egyptians. We made canopic jars and scarab beetles using mud rock and clay. These were used during the mummification process.
We also made our own cartouches. We wrote our names in hieroglyphics. This is a special alphabet system the ancient Egyptian scribes used.
We have been learning about Egyptian mummies. Here's a song we have been practicing called I Am a Mummy.
You want to see what they did to my mummy? Pulling out of the tummy. Pulling it twice, whacking it jaw. Painting up with sticky tar. Running in from his head to his toes. Pull his brains out of his nose. That's not all the ballers did. They burned my mummy in a pyramid. Ancient Egypt down by now. Mummy's gonna be in a tomb for a while. Pharaoh, Pharaoh, it's not funny. Tell King Tut I want my mummy.
In RSHE, we have been learning about how to keep our heart and lungs healthy.
We learned about the importance of eating healthy and being active.
It has been recommended for young people between the ages of 5 and 17 to have at least of 60 minutes of physical activity every day. We have been looking at ways to challenge ourselves to be more active. Here are some of our ideas. I'll try to do 10 burpees every day.
I'll try to run in the park every weekend.
I'll try to do 100 skips every week. I'll try to go swimming every week. Although we haven't got to the end of year 3, we've already made some lovely memories and had a great time.
My favourite memory in year 3 is when I played Ravana in the Diwali concert.
My favourite memory is when we made the Scarab Beetles in Creative Week.
My favourite memory from year 3 so far is when we went on a trip to the temple to learn more about Hinduism.
In maths, we have been learning about money.
Come and take a peek in our sweet shop where we'll be buying some delicious treats.
Wow, these sweets look delicious.
How much for this, please?
This will be £1.10, please.
£1.10.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Wow, look at this lollipop. How much is this, please?
£1.70, please.
£1, 52 and 20.
Thank you. How much for this, please? 80p, please.
50p, 20p, and 10p.
Here you go.
Thanks.
I think I'll buy one for my friend too. How much for these, please? £1.85, please. £1, 50p, 20p, 10p, and 5p. Thank you.
Wow, I'm finally rich. In music, we have been learning how to play the glockenspiel with Miss Wilson.
In RE, we have been learning about Hinduism.
Hinduism celebrates Diwali. Here is a dance we practice for our Diwali concert. Thank you for watching our class assembly.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Bye!